Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start right away by giving yourself the item. Enable cheats or switch to creative, then open chat. Type the /give command exactly, press enter, and the recovery compass appears in your inventory. You do this because survival crafting methods vary by version and commands guarantee the item now. Once the compass is in hand, make sure to place it in your hotbar and keep it equipped when exploring so it can later point to your death location when needed. Now you must create a death point that the compass can track. Intentionally die in a controlled spot or simulate a death by jumping into water and drowning. Respawn and retrieve the compass. Hold it and watch how it turns toward where you died. That's how it knows the target. If you die multiple times, the compass will update to the most recent death, so make sure you test once and then return straight to the indicated direction to recover loot before it resets. Follow the needle steadily. It will converge until it points down at the exact block of your death, helping you recover items. Make sure to cross-reference the in-game death coordinates shown in chat if available. These help when terrain confuses the needle. If the compass doesn't point correctly, relog and re-equip it. This refreshes world data. As a last resort, check the entity or data logs with commands to confirm the death point. This troubleshooting step solves most sync or update issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.